Hey guys, today we're here to show you how to install a blade guard for a Ryobi 10-inch miter saw. First, don't get confused. There's two different sizes of screws you need to use that comes with it. You use the smaller one. First you want to do is hold this bar back and install the screw in the Alright, place it on over the blade. Like so. Use your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten this down, not all the way. Second, you see this right here, this piece inside here will rotate. Onto here. Like so. Use a smaller Phillips screwdriver. Tighten it down. And you have this bar right here, and it fastens to the top of the saw over here like this. And you have a second screw, so a little bit bigger around, and it goes through the hole on the back side. That allows tension on the spring. And use the larger Phillips screwdriver to tighten up this one screw. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So always turn your screws to the right to tighten them down. There we go. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.